Alright, this is our HEM model 1200 LAS. This is a 16 by 20 inch capacity, fully automatic bandsaw. It has a variable drive. You can hear it winding up now. We have an 1.25 inch blade on there, but it's set up for an 1.5 inch blade. We'll get you one of those. This is the blade tensioning. Just bring the washer within an 1/8 inch of the post and you have the proper blade tension of 30,000 psi. Heavy duty machine, built to handle large rounds. Blade speed is from 50 to 396 feet per minute. Infinitely variable with that new drive we put on. Have the coolant system as a rollaway. You can see there's an optional third vise back here that would grab your work. 5 horsepower drive, an extra 5-6 foot of infeed on the back of it. 2 foot wide by 4 foot long discharge table. Now we're going to feed it down slowly. This is a refurbished machine. Gone through this from top to bottom. You're going to hear a little skip in there as we have some pieces from the blade. The vices are all quick acting. Just lift up the lever with the ball on it, slide it to position, and locks in. And you have the short throw cylinders. This is an air operated machine. Air over hydraulics. And M's belief is to keep it less complicated, not have to deal with the hydraulic system as well, which has worked well for them. If you're familiar with HEMs, they're a great machine tool. There we go. Where'd you set the cutoff length to? Huh? 3 inch? There you go. Fully adjustable blade guide, carbide blade guide. There's a powered chip brush underneath there. We're not set up for production here. We're just demoing the saw. You see the feed table's a little low. We just pushed it up there to show you. Feed table also comes with a nice coolant return trough. Keep your shop nice and clean. You hear that blade rumbling as it goes through the bad teeth. What else can I tell you about it? Did I tell you it had a 5 horsepower drive? And we're done. Alright, thanks for viewing. The HEM 1200 LAS fully automatic bandsaw.